Oh wow, so cute.
अरे रोलिंग फोन छोड़ एंड स्टार्ट शूटिंग.
अरे यार कितने प्यारे डॉग वीडियोस है, कैट वीडियोस है. ओ माय गॉड, मेरी तो पूरी इंस्टाग्राम फीड भरी हुई है. I so want to watch it. Instagram पे scroll करते वक्त who hasn't stopped to watch a cute dog or a cat video? All of us have, right? But let me tell you that this is not just entertainment. It is a calculated trend. इंटरनेट पे dog videos and animal videos जैसे keywords constantly बढ़ रहे हैं. And so are the number of people owning pets. Think about it. 10 साल पहले was it so common to spot a pet in an Indian home? आई रिमेंबर मैंने अपने डैड को बोला था कि मुझे भी एक पेट चाहिए. एंड यू नो व्हाट ही टोल्ड मी, है ना तू और तेरा भाई. आई एम श्योर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कैन रिलेट टू व्हाट आई जस्ट सेड, राइट? But today, 6 in 10 Indians have a pet, and इसमें भी dogs and cats are the most common ones. In fact, as of 2024, India's pet population is estimated to be over 31 million dogs and 2.44 million cats. Wow! This makes India the 5th most populated country in the world for pets. But have you ever wondered what is the reality of owning a pet in India? Let's find out. The ownership of pets in India has been increasing among urban millennials. 2024 में the number of first-time pet owners has gone up to 70%, जबकि the global average is 47%. But Indians pet culture को इतना rapidly क्यों adopt कर रहे हैं? Well, they are no longer looked at as just pets. आज के millennials and Gen Zs के लिए pets उनके travel partners हैं, stress busters हैं, coffee hopping partners हैं, कुछ के लिए तो उनके बच्चे हैं और भाई बहन भी हैं. Instagram reels तो देखी होंगी आपने. And this depiction can also be seen in movies like दिल धड़कने दो and many more. No doubt that 66% of Indian pet parents say that their pets are the most important part of their lives. अब ये तो हुई consumer side पर. What does this mean about the pet market in India? Well, India की pet care market काफी तेजी से grow कर रही है. From 5,000 crore in 2024, this is expected to reach over 10,000 crores by 2028. And guess what it means? A compound annual growth rate of 20%. For context, let me tell you the growth of smartphones in Indian market is 7.25%. Yes. So imagine how rapidly the pet market is growing. India के pet market के 3 major segments हैं, which are food, accessories and services. But food takes a major share of 70%. इसके अलावा accessories like toys, bed, playpen, etc. takes up to 20% of the market share, and last are the services that take the remaining 10%. Now, let's jump to the big question. How much do you need to spend to keep a pet in India? You can divide this into 2 categories, one-time cost and monthly cost. The average cost of a dog in India ranges from 5,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees. But if you want to own a dog of foreign origin, the cost may be as much as 1 lakh rupees. इसके बाद आती है the initial set of vaccinations जो pet की health के लिए काफी important है. This can cost between 6,000 rupees to 8,000 rupees in the initial year. And बहुत लोग initially training भी करवाते हैं so that the pet is trained to poop outside, can socialize, etc. इसके लिए ट्रेनर्स 15,000 से 45,000 रुपए पर महीना के रेंज में चार्ज करते हैं. Now let's jump to the monthly cost, which comprise the food they eat, the regular medical checkups, the grooming, etc. Every breed will have a different diet requirements, and ये range कर सकते हैं between 4,000 rupees to 9,000 rupees. Now the vet care will cost you between 1,000 rupees to 4,000 rupees annually, and for grooming you might have to spend 5,000 rupees to 8,000 rupees per session. I'll be honest यार, इसके बालों की ग्रूमिंग पे मेरे हेयर कट से ज्यादा पैसे लग जाते हैं. Not that I'm complaining though. Moving on, अगर आप अपने पेट का इंश्योरेंस भी करवाना चाहते हो, then that can cost you between 1,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees annually. And for toys, treats, daycare, etc., count another 500 rupees to 2,000 rupees. Now, we should always be ready for emergencies. So, if your pet meets with an accident, God forbid, or has a medical emergency, then that can cost about 10,000 rupees, depending on what kind of treatment it is. A good idea is to have an SIP for your pets, and you can use this money as an emergency fund for your pets. If you do, that's another 1,000 rupees per month. Now, these are for basic pet care, but अगर आप अपने pet को और pamper करना चाहते हो with spa sessions, customized clothing, pet parties and more, you can consider another 5,000 rupees to 8,000 rupees per month expense. अगर हम pet care की lifetime cost देखें, considering the average lifespan of a dog is 10 years and that of a cat is 15 years, it can come down to 7 to 12 lakhs for dogs, and for cats it can be between 1.5 to 4.5 lakhs. And that brings us to an important question. Let's talk about an interesting statistic. Only 10% of pets are adopted in India. So if you are planning to have a pet, consider adopting so an animal finds the joy of having a home. If you're still wondering if you should get a pet, remember that owning a pet isn't just a privilege. It's a big commitment and responsibility. Of course, इससे आपको बहुत खुशी मिलेगी, आपके फ़ोन की गैलरी क्यूट पेट वीडियो से भर जाएगी, आप इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट सेटअप कर सकते हैं. But consider your lifestyle, budget and ability before you bring one of these home. अगर आप श्योर नहीं है, try fostering an animal before you get a pet full time. Let me know if this video helps and share this with someone who may need it.